Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I prepared my chicken and vegetable stir fry. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Also please go and follow me on Instagram at Alice's_kitchen. Now, let us cook. So guys, for my chicken and vegetable stir fry, for the vegetables, I'm using broccoli. I'm also using carrot. I have some mushrooms here, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and snap pea. Guys, I'm also gonna be incorporating these baby corns because I've had them for a while. So yeah, I'm just gonna be adding that to it. And here I have my chickens. Now I'm gonna be seasoning my chicken. So we're gonna put that aside, and I'm only gonna be adding a little meat season to that, black pepper. Then you just want to mix this together. Now I'm gonna head over to the stove and we're gonna sear our chicken breast. Now we're gonna add oil to our pot. So we add our oil. Now we're gonna allow this to heat. Then we're gonna sear our chicken breast. Your chicken breast. So these are done. I'm going to be removing these. Now for that same wok, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butter. vegetables. Now guys, because the baby corns are already cooked, we're going to be adding those later on in the video. Now guys, while the vegetables are being cooked, we're gonna make the sauce. Honey. Guys, this is oyster sauce. I also will be adding soy sauce, but I will be sure to list all the ingredients and the measurements down in the description below, so please be sure to check that out. Now that these are almost cooked, I'm gonna add my corn. And the chicken. Now I'm gonna add the sauce, guys. And here you have the final product, guys. I'm just gonna sprinkle some sesame seed on top of that, and we are all done. So guys, I'm gonna serve this with the basmati rice. You guys can serve this with pasta or even rice, as I mentioned. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you did, it's gonna help me out a lot. Remember to subscribe, also it's gonna help me out a lot. Don't forget to share, it's also gonna help me out a lot. But yeah, I do hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.